So we are starting the debate. The topic is, are tablets and laptops in class better for learning than traditional notebooks and textbooks? We have with us four students, Rida and Rina from Purnia, and they'll be supporting tablets and laptops should be allowed in the schools, and they should be substituted. And Ammar Umaiza will be supporting traditional notebooks and textbooks, and they are Team Araria. These are Team Purnia. Let's start.
Before we start, I would like to ask you guys a question. If notebooks are truly so much better, why are the world's top universities, researchers, engineers, doctors, world-class businesses and digital systems using tablets and notebook for recording and keeping the maintaining the records? Why are they not moving back to paper?
They're storing and organizing research papers on our software, but the universities, big universities and the schools and everywhere, examinations and everything they do, like the classrooms, the lectures, everything is written on the paper. It's not on the keyboard or a laptop. So I think notebook, the traditional notebook and textbook helps you retain better, and it helps you to improve your memory. And when you're writing, your brain is like functioning all the time when you're writing on the paper. But if you're typing, your brain is like not working that much, that in the case of the notes. So I think traditional notebooks and textbooks are a better way to memorize, to learn easily and more.
I agree that a notebook stores information, but does it give access to the world's information?
Giving access doesn't mean that it will help you learn better,
But the
efficient and
world, but
effective
the world
learning.
now is becoming modern and technology based. Nothing is on paper right.
From where the world started was on the paper. So from,
We need to move to the future, not back to the 1990s.
I'm not talking about we are back. No, if you are learning something, everyone just what we say that if we need to learn something, we should write it 3 4 times. We will learn it. Why we say that? This is the most effective way to learn anything, to understand anything better. So if we are into the future, it doesn't mean that we need to always like type everything. No, we can also do the things on the notebooks and papers also. Like the laptops and tablets are just like they are going out of battery. Sometimes they are having some software technical issues, but notebook it doesn't have these type of, they are more efficient and convenient way to study.
And I that we aren't rejecting the future. As you said, the laptops and the screens are the future. But as you know, many researches have been published, and many universities have been researched that traditional notebooks helps you retain better. It helps you learn better. And a research happened in a university, I can't remember the name, in which many students have given the notebook, traditional notebook, and screens both, and they tested that got the similar result when they asked question. But in the conceptual basis, the people who prepared from traditional notebooks got higher retention. And I said that okay, we are not rejecting the future. We are not rejecting the future. But if we learn better from traditional notebooks, why can't.
I agree with you partially, but you said we are not rejecting, but you are rejecting in a way if you think traditional education is better than modern education.
We are not rejecting, we are choosing something better, and notebook and textbooks are the bestest
Listen,
way to learn.
listen.
And if
If education is preparing us for the life, the real life, for the future, then why should students avoid these tools in their education and their daily life?
because
They help us to prepare for the future better. Obviously, we are preparing for the future. We are not going to go back to the 1990s and use that paper everywhere. It is more efficient. And a tablet can replace hundreds of notebooks. You can get 20 notebooks, but a tablet can do all it in once.
Said about efficiency now, about tablets can get about, screens are always a distraction. Screens are always a distraction.
Okay.
If you
Even
if you
distractions can appear in notebooks
let me complete,
also.
let me complete.
When you said that distractions appear in laptops and tablets. When you draw those cartoons and little scribbles all over and doodles all over your copy
they
and
are for
notebook,
for
it
at
is
most,
about discipline. It is not about distraction. It is only about discipline. The one who is disciplined will study with tablets the better, and even with the notebooks.
I think it is only you. It is only you, because many research have been published. Many research have been published. Screens are always a type of distraction. It will help you study better, but it also increases the chance of getting distracted, because I don't know about you, but many students who is starting to study from screens, they got notifications from YouTube, any other social media, games, any notification, and they get distracted easily.
Let me
That's
say
why I
one thing.
think
Let me say one thing. A bicycle is useful. That doesn't mean it is better than a motorcycle for a transportation.
Okay, I will say some points. You mentioned first that a tablet or laptop can like have material of what 20 notebooks can hold. So a lot of information doesn't mean that you are going to learn them all. The learning capacity depends on the person, and it is scientifically proven that a person can learn so much better from the traditional notebook and textbooks.
It could be of help, but we can't move back. Notebooks and traditional education could be used along with modern education, but you can't move back to the traditional education leaving modern education.
I know handwriting has its own benefits, but the debate isn't about whether handwriting is useful or not. The debate is about which is better for overall education and real modern life. And I guess tablets and laptops are way much better for real life and modern education.
a research published in a foreign university, in which they said that when you study from laptop or screen, the teacher said, professor says something and you write, type the keyboard and you write, you don't remember anything, and because the typing speed is fast in the keyboard, and when you write in text notebook, you have to think, your brain take time to process the words, and I think it help you to retain better. And she said, what she said, what
Which
was it?
university conducted this survey?
I can't remember the exact name, but I
You
forgot
can't
the name.
remember exactly, but that's what you need laptops and tablets for.
If I have the tablets, it doesn't help me to remember the name. It is my memory, but it will not
You
help me.
can't write everything all down. That's
why can't
why
why can't I
modern
write?
education exists.
Why can't I write in notebook?
You can't.
I can write.
Can you write all the dictionary?
So why we need to write a dictionary?
Because you need this. You need dictionary.
A very good professor. If you search it online, his picture will be shown.
That's my
D
point.
open
We will search it
Daniel
online. That's my
open.
whole point. We will search it online.
So providing information doesn't mean that you will learn everything. It will
Okay.
just show you.
Okay.
It will be also available in
Okay,
the
let
books
me
also.
ask you a question.
Let me
Okay.
complete my statement first. Daniel Oppenheimer, a scientist, said that pen is mightier than laptop. He's a professor. So he is also a well-known professor. So he must have some thoughts in his mind. That's why he said the statement that pen is mightier than laptop. And if a very sincere student, like you said, a very sincere student who is studying, not having any distractions with the laptop or anything, they will have eye strain, headache, and so many diseases from the screen by having a long screen
Don't you
time.
think learning from a book also causes eye strain because the
Not
letters are
that
so
much.
small?
Not that much.
Why not that much?
Because learning from book is like you are keeping the book at a safer distance, which is minimum 25 centimeters. So you're keeping your book away from that, and you are learning from that. But the screen have so many like type of rays and so many things coming out. It's all scientific that
The world is modern. You can use reading glasses.
we need to use some other thing accessory for sorry, from reading.
Don't you think you need to get pens and thousands of notebooks to write down?
Not every student is that much rich to afford a laptop and everything, but
Don't you
books are
think-
more accessible. They are only for 100, 200, 500, everyone. So it creates an inequality, like some students are learning from laptop and all, and some are not able to afford that. So it creates inequality in the society also.
Education itself creates an inequality in our society.
Education, like nowadays government provide books, why not laptops if it
They
helps?
do. They do. They do.
Not for everyone.
Not for everyone, but they do for higher education.
But for books, they do for everyone. They provide book to every student. Every student learning going to learn in the government school.
Education in India is itself not that affordable, for your very kind information.
It's affordable in like the big
It is not.
universities. The big
Would you